Today I am going to be showing you our new Surveyor by Forest River. It is a 295Q BLE. It's a 29-foot bunkhouse with 4 different bunks. As we walk in, you'll notice to the right is the queen bed. There's storage space on the side of each side of the bed, and there's also little cubbies on each side of the upper bed, and storage up here, and also storage below underneath the bed. Storage above. This is the kitchen. As you walk in to the left, stainless steel appliances. A lot of storage space. Nice little cutting board. Over the sink. Everything came with it. This is actually a cover for the stove. Gas stove. Microwave, freezer, refrigerator. We haven't put anything in it yet, really. The kids have gotten a few things in it, but comes with a nice Jensen radio DVD combo. The sound can go to the front of the camper, outside of the camper. It can go to the inside of the camper, or it can go to both, which I really like. The TV did not come with it. We bought that. Storage space is pretty average size drawer. Flooring is nice to look at. There's carpeting underneath this couch, which pulls out to a bed. For additional sleeping space. The table also converts to a bed. This just pulls off, and then the legs just come right up. You just pull them up. No tools needed to do that. I like that. Pull the legs, all 3 of the legs up, and then the top just goes down, and then you use the cushions around for the bed. A mirror, more storage in there, small storage space there. The bathroom. Our old camper did not have the nice foot flush, so I appreciate that. We used to have to flush it by hand. Shower, a little skylight. Decent sized bathtub. Kids can definitely fit in it really well. More storage. Switches. A fan above. Oh. Fan above. Here is the bunkhouse, which is why we bought this camper. All of the lights are LED. There's one light for each of the bunks, and you can flip them off by switch, or you can flip them off by just touching the button. If I want to flip them all off, there's a switch. And this is actually on a switch on the wall. This is for cable and outlet. Additional storage here and under here. Additional storage underneath this bunk, but not underneath this bunk because that is where the outdoor kitchen is. Here is a view from the back of the camper. Curtains are pretty neat. Just kind of pull them down, which I like. They seem like they're pretty sturdy, all except for this one. That one's kind of just a normal average curtain. Air flow throughout for the air conditioning. Heat is all on the floor. Seems to work pretty good. One thing that I did not really like, though, when I got the camper is that the windows on the bunks, the curtains, or the windows on the bunks, the screen would slide open with the window, and I didn't like that. I was worried about my younger kids falling out. So they put a screw there so that the screen couldn't open, which I appreciated. So here's the inside of our camper. If you have any questions, please comment below. We will be setting it up at our campsite. Unfortunately, we don't have it at our campsite yet. This is just in front of our house. So we will set it up at our campsite, and then I will do a full video of the outside and the features on the outside of the camper because it's kind of cool. So I hope you enjoyed, and we hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.